Are you passionate about the world of aviation, travel, and luxury experiences? With a BBA in Aviation, Tourism, and Hospitality Management, you can open the door to incredible opportunities in three of the most vibrant and fast-growing industries of today. Why choose this program? The BBA in Aviation, Tourism, and Hospitality Management is an all-encompassing undergraduate program designed to provide you with the skills and expertise required to excel in these dynamic fields. From managing airlines to organizing dream vacations and ensuring top-notch hospitality, this program equips you to thrive in a range of exciting roles. Career opportunities. Upon completing this program, you'll be prepared to take on a variety of roles such as Airport Operations Manager, Tourism Consultant, Hotel General Manager, Event and Conference Planner, Ground Staff Supervisor, Airline Marketing Specialist. These industries are experiencing rapid growth, offering high salaries, global exposure, and excellent career advancement opportunities. Eligibility criteria. Getting started with this program is straightforward. Education requirement: completion of 10+2 in any stream. Admissions: while some universities require a minimum percentage or an entrance exam, many offer direct admissions based on merit. Top colleges in India. Sulekha connects you with top colleges in India offering practical and industry-relevant training. The curriculum typically covers airline and airport management, travel and tourism operations, hospitality services and management, customer service and communication, event planning and marketing strategies. These colleges emphasize hands-on learning with internships, live projects, and workshops, ensuring you're job-ready from day one. Program structure, duration, and fees. The BBA in Aviation, Tourism, and Hospitality Management is a 3-year program, and fees generally range from 1,50,000 rupee to 4,50,000 rupees, depending on the college and its facilities. Many institutes also provide placement assistance, ensuring you secure a role in your chosen field soon after graduation. Scholarships to support your education. Worried about costs? Many colleges offer scholarships to make education more accessible. Merit-based scholarships for academically strong students. Financial aid for students from economically weaker sections. Industry-sponsored scholarships to support aspiring professionals. These options help you pursue your dream without financial stress. Top recruiters. Graduates of this program are highly sought after by leading airlines like Indigo, Emirates, and Vistara. Luxury hotel chains such as Taj Hotels, Marriott, and Hilton. Travel companies like Make My Trip, Thomas Cook, and Cox and Kings. Starting salaries typically range from 4 lakhs rupee to 8 lakhs rupee per annum, with significant growth potential as you gain experience. Why wait? Your dream career awaits with Sulekha. Whether you're passionate about managing premium travel experiences, planning seamless vacations, or ensuring efficient airport operations, this program is the perfect choice for you. At Sulekha, we make it easy for you too. Compare colleges, course fees, and placement reviews. Explore scholarship opportunities tailored to your needs. Connect directly with top institutes to kickstart your admission process. The aviation, tourism, and hospitality industries are booming, with a rising demand for skilled professionals. Don't miss out on this opportunity to make your mark in these global sectors. Start your journey today with Sulekha. Your dream career is just a click away.